Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Absolute GH. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare Sobolo, or what is also known as hibiscus tea. Have you ever wondered the health benefits of Sobolo you've been buying from the streets? Well, watch the video to the end whilst I tell you some of the health benefits of each of the ingredients we use to prepare. First, let's go over the ingredients. We have hibiscus flower, sugar or honey, pineapple, prekese, ginger, lemon or lime. Hibiscus tea is a type of herbal tea associated with many health benefits. It also has a delicious tart flavor and can be made and enjoyed from the comfort of your own kitchen. Now let's go over some of the health benefits of the hibiscus flower. 1. It may help lower blood pressure. It boosts liver health, promotes weight loss, contains compound that may help prevent cancer. It is packed with antioxidants. It may lower blood fat levels and could help fight bacteria. Now to the preparation. First, you just have to peel your pineapple and then cut it into chunks and blend it. Then you use the back of the pineapple, you boil it alongside with your prekese, lemon and the ginger, and then the waterr, which is the negro pepper. So after boiling it for about 10 minutes, you remove the pineapple back from the water. The reason why we are doing that is we don't want the pineapple back to also absorb the color or the nutrients of the hibiscus flower. That's why we remove it. So after removing it, you add your hibiscus flower to the mixture and boil for about 10 minutes. Then you sieve it. The Sobolo is ready. Now let's go over some of the health benefits of Prekese. Several diseases can be treated with the use of Prekese, like inflammation, leprosy, arthritis, convulsion, etc. It is rich in iron, potassium, calcium, zinc, phosphorus, flavonoids, etc. It has a strong aromatic smell with insect repellent property. Now to the health benefits of Prekese. It controls diabetes. It has wound healing properties. It can be used to treat cardiovascular system for hypertension. It also supports immune system and it has good antibacterial properties. The benefits of the other ingredients will be down below. Please don't forget to like, share